Before the video begins, I forgot to mention what this stuff is. It's ABS plastic that I dissolved in acetone. You can take scrap ABS plastic from anything that's ABS. You can tell pretty easily by taking something you want to test. Take a bit of acetone, rub it on the part. If it comes off like that, it's probably ABS. Polystyrene wouldn't do that. So, hope you enjoy the video. So I have this old HP laptop. It's an older Core 2 Duo. I have a good laptop, so I don't really need this as my main one anymore. So, the problem with this is the hard drive cover. It's got this little vent mesh. See it? Focus. Yeah, it's got this vent. It's pretty fragile, so this newer hard drive, well, I'm going to be putting an SSD in here probably, so I don't really need this vent anymore, so I think I'm going to cover it up with some ABS slurry. So, you probably know acetone. Well, isn't that focused? Yeah, acetone, it dissolves some types of plastic like ABS, polystyrene. I'll get a little bit, rub it on there, scratch it off a little bit. So it is dissolving this plastic. So I think this is ABS. So I'm going to be trying to fill all these little holes with some of this ABS. Oh, straighten out all those. So I'm going to be pouring it from the top, and I'm going to go set it somewhere to dry. I should get something to spread this with. There, piece of foam. If you ever get this stuff, like with ICs or anything, keep it. Useful stuff. Okay. So I'm going to carefully pour it, try not to get too much around it. Just need the tiniest bit. Man, that smells bad. Okay. Cut a little groove in there. Okay. Yeah, it seems to be working. Filling in all those little holes. Just a little bit. That's probably too much right there. This stuff will shrink up a little bit, so it doesn't matter if I put too much on there. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. I think I got every little hole filled. Yeah, I'll go set this out to dry and we'll take a look at it, peel this off. Yeah, it's stuck to it. I'm gonna have to put another layer on the bottom, I guess. Oh, that's a lot. It's not gonna be pretty. I think it will serve its purpose, making this a little bit stronger. Yeah, that's not going to be pretty. I don't know why this is, but this is getting like cold to the touch. If you know why, tell me in the comments. If anyone watches this. Yeah, pretty ugly. Well, I'd say that looks better. Well, it doesn't look pretty, but it's solid. Flexible. Yeah. Put the cover on, give it a little sand. Still doesn't look great, but you could paint it, prime and paint it. Well, it serves its purpose. It's not breaking out, leaving an ugly hole. Well, don't steal my product number. Hope you enjoyed.